So Dad, you ready to give up your secret?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Hey everybody, it's me, and I'm back. I'm gonna make fresh clams with tomato sauce and with the linguine. So let's get started. So now I'm gonna start shucking them. Oh, sorry.
Go.
I just shucked 2 dozen clams, and now I'm going to rinse them in its own juice and clam juice, and then I'm going to rinse any shells that are in there, and then I'm going to screen the clam juice into a strainer. So this way we don't need any pieces of shells. Okay, now I'm going to cut up the clams, and this is a trick I use now, using scissors instead of a knife. All right, now that I separated all the clams from the juice, the clam juice, I'm going to put it in a strainer and screen out all the, there you go, screen out all the shells that are in there. See, that's it. Oh gosh, I overfilled it. Okay. All right, I just finished cutting up the 2 dozen clams, and I'm pouring it back in the clam juice.
2 bulbs of garlic. Chop them up.
Put some parsley on the side. Chop some parsley.
Parsley. Chop it up.
I just finished cutting up 2 bulbs of garlic and some parsley. Okay, I'm gonna add the oil and fry the garlic. Okay, I got the garlic nice and brown now. Take a look. And I'm going to add the tomato paste. I'm going to add some clam juice to loosen up the tomato paste. All right, I'll let this till I break the tomato paste up. Okay. For about 5 minutes, and then I'll add the rest of the clam juice and let it cook for about 5 minutes until it starts to boil. And then add the tomatoes. And that's it. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, and I'm going to add the rest of the clams with the clam juice. I'll let this cook until it starts to bubble, and then don't have to shut the gas, then just add the rest of the tomato, mix it in, and it's all ready for the pasta. Now wait until it starts to boil, and then I'll add the tomato paste. That's me. The clams are done now. They're cooked, only been cooked for 2 minutes, so I'm shutting the gas, and I'm adding the tomato sauce, two bottles, and it's all done. Okay, Voila. Okay, now that the pasta sauce is done, I'm going to add in the parsley. And then when the water finishes boiling, we could have our pasta with clam sauce. I'm breaking the pasta. I'm breaking up the pasta. Got 2 boxes of linguine. Here we go. Okay, the water's boiling, and I'm going to add the 2 pounds of linguine. And I'm going to stir it immediately so it doesn't stick together for about 2 minutes. There's 2 pounds of pasta in here. Now I let it boil for 10 minutes, then I'll take it out. I'm going to put some sauce in here now, just to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add some more sauce in here to loosen it up a little bit. Then I'm going to bring the sauce to the table, and everybody pour their own pasta in their sauce together. Okay, a little more sauce. Then we'll bring it to the table. Okay, I got the sauce here and the pasta in this pot, and now everybody serve yourself.
Mange.
Mange.
Hi, Arthur. Hi, Sadie.
Hi, Sadie.
How old are you?
3.
These are our guests.
Manja.
Mange. Vincent, here's yours.
So good.
I'll give it to you like this.
I need this sauce.
Is this good? More?
Yeah,
More?
it's good. I'm not that hungry.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's eat. It's amazing.
I haven't tasted that in too long.
We have,
It's been too long. You can't even buy that at restaurants. You can't go to a restaurant and get this. It's a shame. It probably costs too much because of all the clams he uses.
I don't know whose dish I got, somebody.
This is crazy good.
Okay, I'm going to take the cover off now, and I'm going to, it's 10 minutes already. A lot of water and pasta in here. Oh. Okay, here we go.